We started our vlogging journey just this year lang po, January 2026, nung na-hospital si Janra. Turning point why we started vlogging was because she's a big fan of Taylor Swift. And we saw a video na bumibisita si Taylor Swift sa mga may sakit na bata sa ospital. So it really got her excited and motivated na mag-take ng videos.
Hey guys, it's Janra, small kitty girl here. Watch my story here on Kwentong Kabarangay. Hey guys, my name is What?
It's okay, Janra! You're good, you're good, you're good!
Hey guys, my name is
It's okay, Janra! Come here, Janra! It's okay, my love. Come here. Yeah, we're good, Janra. It's okay. Yeah, she said it already in the video, so it's okay. How are you, Janra?
I'm good.
You're good. Syempre naman, you're good. It's okay, ha? Ato na, I have a question for you. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good.
Yes.
Do you have friends ba?
Yes.
Do you go to school? or
No,
not?
I don't.
What do you do to learn?
I have a tutor sometimes go at our house.
Wow! How's it like? Is it hard? Is it okay?
Yeah, it's hard for me to read.
To read?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you do to be able to read books?
Oh, my sister reads them to me when we read books.
You have supporters pala, Janra.
Yeah.
Yeah! At syempre, kasama po natin ngayong umaga ang kanyang pamilya. Kasama po natin ang kanyang mga magulang, si Ma'am Mary Grace and Julius Briones. Of course, kasama rin po natin ang magigiting lang kapatid. Kasama natin si Bior Briones. Bior, halika rito, Bior!
Special entry
Marami
pala
tayo.
ako.
Oo nga, grabe. Hindi ba? Nako.
My sister!
I know! Ay, alam niyo yung love na love niyo isa't isa. Diba? Ano yung gap po nila, ma'am? Gaano kalayo?
Si ate po, 26, and
Aha.
then si genre is 10.
Wow.
Yung sumunod po, magto-25.
Sir, bakit ganun yung nangyari, sir, na meron pa tayong bunso?
Kasi parehas silang yung panganay tsaka yung pangalawa babae. So
Oo,
baka
you
lalaki
were
na.
hoping na lalaki. Ayan. Pero, grabe ha. I mean, I wanna know. Kasi minsan, or kadalasan, yung medyo malalayo na gap na magkapatid, they don't understand each other or hindi nagkakaroon ng connection kasi magkaiba. How about sa inyong dalawa, Bior?
She's my baby, Miss
Oh!
Love. Lagi po na pagkakamala na anak ko siya, and it's
Oo.
okay.
Kaya kanina sabi kasi ng assistant cameraman namin,
She's my mom.
Mami, sabi ni Jana, no, she's the mommy, she's my sister. Diba, bakit lagi ba kayo magkasama?
Lagi po kami magkasama.
Yeah.
What do you do? Kayong dalawa ni ate mo.
We have a game on my iPad that we like to play together. And it's called Play Together. We like to play that game a lot. But since she has work, we don't play it anymore.
Oh!
Since she has work.
But I try my best to play it with you
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah.
We bond all the time.
But ate needs work. You know,
Yeah.
because life as it is.
True.
kailangan ng trabaho, hindi ba? Oo. Ano yung mga bagay na parang itinuturo or nag-e-enjoy kayong dalawa? Bior?
We play the guitar.
Yeah, we
Ay,
sing.
wow.
We sing.
We sing?
Yeah.
Ay, hindi ako naniniwala. Well, what's your favorite song?
I don't know. I
you
have a
don't
lot
know.
of favorite songs.
Yeah, you have a lot of favorite songs. So you love singing, you love playing the guitar.
I don't play the guitar. She does and I sing.
Oh, so that's your bonding.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's so special about your relationship with your ate?
Well, I don't know. It's just fun.
It's just one. Ang galing. Ang saya naman nun, Bior. Sabihin na ate ko, ang fun kalaro or kasama.
We try our best to make it fun po every
Yeah,
we
okay.
try our best.
Yes. Of course, meron na siyang viral video now. Na pwede ba natin panoorin yung kanyang viral video? Galing mo pa-viral ka
You know
na.
that Taylor Swift goes to the hospital and visit kids.
Really?
Yeah.
That was cool. I was that.
What if like one day, like tomorrow, Taylor Swift will go inside the door?
I feel like you would cry.
I would cry.
Taylor Swift, if you're watching this, she's a big Look, she's wearing a Taylor Swift t-shirt right now.
What will you do? Like, excuse me, is Genre here? And then you see Taylor Swift. Today, her kidneys are only about the size of a piso coin.
How small is a peso coin?
That is the size of your kidneys.
It's smaller than my hand.
Your kidneys should be the size of your fist. So a normal working kidney should be this size. But this
It's
is
10 times smaller.
Oh.
Yeah, it's 10 times smaller, like I said.
I'm just so happy that she's very, yung spirit niya ay up talaga, 'di ba? I mean, paano nyo parang dinadala itong pinagdaraanan nyo ngayon? Mami, lalo ka na at kayo ni Daddy.
Kailangan po namin magpakalakas para sa kanya. Kasi siya po, nakikita namin lumalaban. Bakit kami panghihinaan? So,
Correct.
mas lalo kaming dapat kailangan niya kami. Kailangan namin magpaka-strong. At nararamdaman naman namin sa dami ng nagmamahal sa amin, nagmamahal kay Genre. Talagang kailangan namin magpakatatag.
Daddy, ano ang key to, if you're going to go through this, ano ang key na kailangan meron ng isang pamilya? Or keys, or mga bagay na meron kayo dapat?
Sa pamilya, una kasi sa amin, ang Diyos eh. Yun ang
Tama
una.
naman.
Tapos, dapat nagkakaisa na magtulungan. At sa ngayon, number 1 talaga si Genre. Lahat ng kilos namin kay Genre, nakafocus. And, syempre, 10 years pa lang namin siya kasama. Maasa pa kami ng mas mahaba pang...
Haba pa yan. Diba? Diba, Genre? What can you say about yung sinabi ng yung parents?
I don't know. What? I really didn't know what you said.
I wouldn't know what you
Tagalog
said.
kasi.
Kasi it's in Tagalog. I'm
Tagalog
so sorry
kasi,
about
sorry.
that. Because
I didn't
it was in
understand.
Tagalog. Okay, Bior, iba yung kanyang hindi siya yung tipong pag nakita mo parang may sakit. Wala kang nakikitang ganun, diba?
Yes po, a lot of
Tingnan mo
people.
siya, diba? Very cheerful. Yung pag nagsalita siya, happy.
I think it's her personality po talaga. Ever since, nung wala pa po siyang sakit, talagang masayahin siyang bata. Masayahin siyang bata, lagi niyang gustong magpatawa. Talagang bunso po talaga siya. She's the, she's the sun. She's the light talaga.
Wow!
Napaka masayahin bata po talaga. Yes po. And laging sinasabi ng mga nakakakita sa kanya, nagda-dialysis yan for every 4 hours, every day? Parang hindi sila makapaniwala. Kasi kahit kami po mismo, nagugulat na right after dialysis, mag-aaya siya na, let's go play, let's do something. Na parang wala lang yung dialysis. Imagine if you if you do dialysis every 4 hours, every day,
At
non-stop.
nakakapanghina yun, ha?
Yes po. Pero siya parang, kakatapos niya lang po mag-dialysis
Wow!
an hour ago. And yeah, before
How
we
is
went
it
here.
like? Can you tell us how it's like going through dialysis?
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine. But when I infuse it's cold, and I get cold after I do dialysis. So after dialysis, I just go under a blanket because I get cold.
Okay. So who are you with each time you do dialysis?
Sometimes mom, sometimes Ate Bjork. Mostly Ate Bjork. She does my dialysis more often.
And what can you tell? What can you tell to the kids out there who's going through the same process as yours?
Well, you're strong, and you must fight it like me and stay happy.
Wow. What's there to be happy about?
There to be happy about is a few things. You're with your family and you're surviving.
Yes.
Good job, baby.
Batang to. How old are you? Are you 40 years old?
No,
You're so good, huh? You're so wise. Where's it coming from?
my father.
Your father? Mana. So, you do dialysis in your house? Or?
Yeah, I do
Okay.
it in my house.
Oh, who's the medical person here?
Both.
All three of you? At the two?
Kami po dalawa.
Wow!
Under ng-
Oh.
Kami po yung Father na-train po kami. Kasi po yung sa kanya is peritoneal dialysis.
Ano yan? Sinadya niyo pong aralin?
Hindi
Paano?
po. Nung na-admit na po siya sa hospital, tinrain po kami. Kailangan po talaga matrain para po kami gagawa sa kanya. Tsaka kasi sa bahay lang po.
Ano ba yung nakikita niyong parang benefit kapag sa bahay at sa ospital, yung gano'n, ma'am?
Mas maganda po talaga yung sa bahay kasi anytime, magagawa po namin. Kesa po sa hemodialysis, pupunta po kami sa hospital. 3 times a week po ang hemo. Yan po yung peritoneal, pang kids po talaga, mas preferred po nila yung
So,
peritoneal
you bought
dialysis.
the machine? Paano po?
Manual. Actually, may machine po dapat kami. Kaya lang, nagkaroon ng problema that time. So, binalik muna namin. So, kaya ngayon, manual po kami.
Oo.
Nakamanual.
Pero kailangan po niya ng machine sa
Yes
pagdating
po.
ng panahon?
Yes po.
Bior,
Yes,
magkano
ma'am.
ba yung machine na yan?
80,000?
80,000. Baka
80,000
naman
po.
dyan, ano?
Baka
May
naman
mga Golden Heart and Arrow Fong. Kailangan niya. Okay. If you have a message to people who's going through CKD or everything that you're going through, what will be your message to them?
Say, thank you for that wonderful question.
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Yes, Miss Queen. What's your message to everyone?
Just like we said earlier.
Yeah, siya. Bior, kung meron kang mensahe sa isang pamilya, sa pamilya na possible, no? Marami na tayo kasi marami yung cases no? Ano yung mga bagay na pwede mong ikwento sa kanila para hindi na rin nila danasin yung ganitong klase ng sakit o ano man. Ano yung mga natutuhan po ninyo para maiwasan?
Yes po. Yung sa case po kasi ni Janra, it's congenital, meaning she was born with it. Wala po kaming choice, pinanganak po siya ng may sakit. Maliit na po talaga ang kidneys niya. Ngayon po, sa mga Pilipino, since nakafollow po ako palagi sa mga
Diba? Ang
dialysis
dami.
patients, sobrang dami. I think nung pandemic po at nauso yung mga work from home, nag-spike po yung mga may CKD disease, which CKD stands for chronic kidney disease.
Correct.
And most of the time, ang CKD, automatic nagsi-stage 5 agad siya. Most of the time. So, end stage agad
Kasi
siya.
daw pag may nararamdaman ka na, ibig sabihin nun malala na.
Yes po, yes po.
Yes.
So yung kay Janra po kasi congenital siya. So hindi niya po yun na-acquire from her lifestyle. So it did not hindi niya nakuha yun dahil kumakain siya ng instant noodles,
Yeah.
umiinom siya ng soft drinks or what. So siya talagang nandyan na siya Yun nga po sabi ng mga doktor po na kung hindi natin siya na-catch nung 7 years old siya, makakatch pa rin natin yan kalaunan. Talagang kahit 15 years old, makakatch natin siya. So I think ang message ko po sa mga nanonood po, yung lifestyle po siguro natin. Iwasan na po natin yung sa bahay po namin, di na kami nag-instant noodles.
Tama naman, tama
Siyempre,
naman.
di ba, respeto naman sa kidney nung batang
Correct,
may maliit ang
oo,
kidney,
oo,
hindi po
correct,
ba?
correct.
So, ayun po, lifestyle change po siguro para hindi na maranasan yung chronic kidney disease, yung CKD, kasi napakahirap po. Napakahirap.
Mommy and Daddy, ano pong mensahe po ninyo sa ating mga nanonood ngayon?
Siguro po, mga mensahe ko, alagaan nating mabuti yung mga anak natin. Plus, siguro, konting sakit lang, huwag natin baliwalain. Magpa-check up po agad.
Wow.
Magpa-check up po agad. Kasi si Genre po sa kanya, in case niya po kasi, hindi siya sakiting bata
Oo.
Tapos po...
Lalo na at jolly-jolly,
Yes,
ano?
hindi po siya sakiting bata. Kaya po one time na sumakit lang yung siya niya, pandemic pa po nun Masakit lang siya niya, nagtail lang po siya, nagdiarrhea lang po siya. So, dinala na namin po
Very
siya.
nice.
Nung doon lang namin na-diagnose
So,
na ano siya.
masasuggest nyo ba, sir, na kailangan, kahit na bata yung anak ninyo, magpa-check up pa rin? Kasi nga ngayon, parang hindi nga natin alam no? Parang ano ba yan, kailangan yearly gawin na natin para at least malaman natin kung ano yung total health ng anak natin.
Sana ganun
No?
Opo. Kasi hindi natin alam kung anong meron.
Yes.
Kaya lang, mahirap kasi talaga, lalo kung tatlo yung anak mo, tapos papacheck up mo sila palagi. Sa mga
Oo,
katulad
oo.
namin na na hindi naman walang kakayahan.
Yes.
No,
Oo.
na umaasa sa government natin. So, mahihirapan po.
Siguro ang panawagan na lang natin, sir, yung health system natin, sana
Yes,
mapaganda.
mapaganda.
Para yung mga ganitong klase ng problema, mas may iwasan. Kasi malaya ka makakapagpa-check up ng libre.
Hindi nakakatakot magpa-check up.
Yes. Ay, gusto ko yan! Do you have a message still or you're okay already?
Your message.
Your
You
message.
practiced your message, remember?
Uy, you have a message pala eh. Come on, Jara, share it to us.
Everyone watching.
Where's the camera? The camera is number 4, Janra.
If you're renovating.
Yes.
Everyone, if you're renovating your house, you should go to the Genres Design, my family's company, and it's the best company in the world.
Yan ang best, yan ang best message. Gusto ko rin yan. Magpaano na kayo kung gusto nyo ng renovation? Kailangan natin i-support ang kanilang pamilya.
Sponsoring.
Yes. Kailangan natin i-support ang kanilang pamilya kasi kailangan po nila yan, lalo na financially.
The best cabinets in the world.
Yes!
Yes.
I might call you soon.
Oh, we'll give you a calling card, Miss
Yes,
Lam.
of course, look at that. Maraming salamat sa pagpapahagi ng inspirasyon, Jadra! So proud of you. You should be proud. Ang husay-husay mo. Maraming salamat din sa Pamilya Briones na nandito ngayon.
Hello po mga Kanet 25! Si Kuya Tony Pet po ito mula sa Love, Tony Pet and Everything. For more Love, Tony Pet and Everything updates, just click on our subscribe button and follow us on our Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook. Magkita-kita po tayo!